In Korean, we use but to show possession and affiliation. It tells us who owns what. Although it's pronounced as A. In conversation, it's often pronounced as A. This is my mom's bag. 이것은 엄마의 가방이에요. That is my friend's book. 저것은 친구의 책이에요. When talking about possession, we use I. Whose thing is this? And I. What group does it belong to? And I. To show possession or affiliation, we use I. But in speech, it's often left out. 엄마 가방이에요. 친구 책이에요. This is our school's teacher. 우리 학교의 선생님이에요. That is a student at Seoul National University. 서울 대학교의 학생이에요. When talking about affiliation, we use a. 형 has a final sound, so we say 형의 모자. 누나 has no final sound, so we say 누나의 신발. Whether there is a final sound or not, we use a. Remember this when talking about possession and affiliation. Whose thing is this? And I. What group does it belong to? And I. To show possession or affiliation, we use I. But in speech, it's often left out. 형 모자예요. 누나 신발이에요. Singing makes learning so easy.
감사합니다.